Hi, so your bot is ready, and after I send you the bot, you test it, and if you find any problem or if anything doesn't work or there is any problem, just let me know. I will fix it. Okay, so this is it. Yep. Okay, so this is for the accounts. You need to put all your accounts here, so you can put your proxies here, and this is for the passwords. This is for the IDs. So this is the ID name and the password. And there is also other login method using the session ID. And session ID, using the session ID is actually better. So you can get the session ID by for any kind of website. Just inspect it, and so at first you need to log into your Instagram account and then open the inspect section, and there is a thing called application, and there is cookies, and here that will be for Instagram, it will be Instagram, and this is for YouTube, so it's YouTube, you can see. And you can get the security ID. This is the SID, so just copy it, and you need to paste it there. Okay, so you need to paste it in the account section, and also, and you can use the ID password also. And this is the bot, this is the nothing, and this is the receivers or the user. You need to put the usernames and the messages here, and this is the requirements. I didn't write it. I will write the requirements here, that which module you need to install. At first you need to download this bot from Telegram, and then you need to download and install Python latest version. Then uh, click here and type here cmd and press enter. Then you need to install the requirements. To install the requirements, you just simply type pip install and press enter. But currently there is no requirements, that's why it didn't doesn't happen anything. But when there is some requirements, then uh, some modules will be downloaded, and it will be installed. So this is it, and I am completing it. So I just need to write some requirements that I have used in this bot. And to run the bot, you need to open the cmd and just type python main.py, python main.py, and press enter. So it will run the bot, and at first it will ask that which method you want to use. Do you want to use session ID or ID password? So whichever you want, you just select that. If you select one, then press 1. If you select 2, then press 2 and press enter. Then you need to enter the message delay, that after how many seconds you want to send each message. I'm just putting 10, but this will not work because I don't have any account there. I'm just showing you. And then it will ask that how many messages you want to send from each account. So if you want to send 10 accounts, 10 messages from each account, then you just put 10. If you want to send 15, then you just put 15, like that, and press enter, and then it will log in and start working like that. Okay, so this is it. And if you find any complication or anything else, just reach me over anytime. I will try my best to fix that. Okay.